rising from the ocean, lakes and streams, water vapor floating like a dream. Evaporation takes it to the sky, invisible droplets dancing high. Round and round the water goes, nature's cycle never slows. From sea to sky and back again, the endless dance of sun and rain. Cooling in the clouds up in the air, condensation gathering up there. Tiny droplets coming close together, getting ready for stormy weather. Round and round the water goes, nature's cycle never slows. From sea to sky and back again, the endless dance of sun and rain. Precipitation falling down below, as rain or sleet or hail or snow, streaming down the mountainside, runoff taking water for a ride. Round and round the water goes, nature's cycle never slows. From sea to sky and back again, the endless dance of sun and rain. Collection in the valleys deep, in rivers, lakes, and oceans sweep. The cycle starts all over now, nature shows us when and how.